Today, we're excited to take you on a journey for a new knowledge.
The many ways individuals and initiatives are coming together to address issues like cyberstalking, cyberbullying, and cyberstalking.
In this video, we will explore our different issues and concerns in our IT era.
Protecting IT world starts with you.
A positive digital environment helps protect users from cyberstalking, foster safe connections, and ensure privacy and security for everyone online. By promoting respect and awareness, we can create a space where everyone feels safe and supported.
The information we share, the connections we make, and the platforms we use all shape our digital world. Adopting habits that promote privacy protection and awareness of cyberstalking will help safeguard individuals and create a safer online environment for all.
Whatever the circumstances, we can make a change. Lend a hand and spread awareness about cyberstalking. Stay alert, protect your privacy, and create a safer online environment for everyone.
In today's digital age, the challenges we face online can sometimes feel overwhelming. But remember, things are always easier when we support each other. Together, we can make a difference. Ko lang kung ano munang name, age, and kung anong strand nila.
Po si Charles Darrell Tan, 16 years old from 1101 STEM po.
Ako po si Kenneth Bugarin, 17 years old, 1101 STEM din.
Ako po si Ivan Perolina, 17 years old, 1101 STEM po.
How often do you use social media or any online platforms?
Mostly 2 hours.
Free time.
Pag free time lang po.
Yun, question lang, na-experience niyo na ba yun, yung cyberbullying?
Last experience ko was elementary pa, but wala naman na pong na-experience na cyberbullying.
So, anong advice yung mabibigay nyo sa mga kabataan na tulad nyo na nagamit ng online or social media? Ikaw muna, Charles.
For me po, mas okay na wag na lang muna gamitin yung social media for entertainment. And marami pa namang pwedeng gawin na panglibangan except sa social media. And if you want to express your emotions or feelings, reach out to someone. And wag lang sa social media.
For me naman po, isipin mabuti kung paano gagamitin yung social media, lalo na naka-public ito and maraming nakakita ng mga tao din. Yun nga, kagaya nga sabi ni Charles, pwede naman, or yung mga libangan natin is gawin natin through outside, like mga sports, ganon. Or even the games na with friends and hang out something sa kanila. And yun.
Yes, more on physical naman.
Ano po, think before you comment po, para iwas na rin po yung makabuli ng iba or mabuli din po.
Yes, yung carbon footprint kasi yan. So that would be all from grade 11.
Can we ask po what's your name and age?
I'm Abigail Perez po and from STEM Healthcare.
As a student or as an individual na rin, ano yung mostly used media mo?
Siguro po YouTube and Instagram po.
Dun sa mga media na sinabi mo, have you ever experienced like bullying or
Personally po, wala naman po ako sa sarili ko na encounter na ako po yung na-cyberbully. Pero minsan po nakakakita ako dun sa comment section, like sa mga post nila, sila po yung parang na-judge ka ng cyber sila.
Since you have said na hindi mo naman siya personally na-experience yung bullying or yung cyberbullying.
Ano po, ma-advise ko sa kanila is kung kung kaya nilang i-deflect, try nilang i-deflect. Pero if natatamaan na talaga sila or like nasasaktan, pwede silang humanap ng mapagsasabihan para mailabas nila yung parang feelings nila para hindi po makimkim lahat. And sana po is wag na lang nilang pansinin yung mga ganon kasi at the end of the day, yung kung sino pong nagbato sa kanilang ganon, sila rin po yung makakarma.
Cute!
By standing up against cyberbullying, we're not only stopping harmful behavior, but also working towards a safe and positive online space for everyone. Let's continue to support each other and make a digital better for all.
Efforts to combat cyber extortions are essential for protecting individuals and preserving the integrity of digital spaces.
Preventing cyber extortion is crucial not only for maintaining trust in online environments, but also for safeguarding the well-being of users and their personal information.
Reaching our goals in combating cyber extortion isn't hard but collaborative. Taking steps to protect personal data and raise awareness about online threats can reduce the risk of harms of individuals and organizations.
This collective effort will lead to a safer, more trustworthy digital environment for everyone.
Just as we prioritize health and well-being, we must also dedicate time to understand and address the issues in the IT era.
Safer life in the IT era.